Welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. Hope the guys are doing good and we're having a wonderful morning. So we're going to discuss DUJUAN Richards. Basically, as you can see, no DUJUAN Richards, no party for Chelsea under 21 team. And why is that so? Was he the vital player in the long end on the running for the Premier League 2? Was he? Can he be? We'll see. We'll discuss that. But before getting to the meat of the matter, before getting details, I would really appreciate it if you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and share the content if you please. If you're here for the first time, you can definitely become a member of the channel by hitting the membership or just hitting the subscribe button. Those are some simple ways of helping the channel grow. Or if you want to support us otherwise from that, you can most definitely buy us a coffee. Link is in the description and also in the comment section. So let's get to the meat of the matter. So DUJUAN Richards, 5 goals in the regular season, 2 in the playoff, also 1 assist. I think, I don't think of 1 assist. I think I must lie about, well, most of the apps I'm going to show 1 assist, but there's one when kind of kick a shot and they come off and just go straight, well, they go straight onto David Washington's feet. Basically a miss kick. So probably can technically say probably is an assist. Probably is an assist. Anyways, but brilliant season for the youngster. As I said, the 2 goals they scored in the playoffs, the Premier League 2 playoffs was actually against Brighton. And you guys remember that big games, that big quarterfinal matchup there. But let me see if I can find where he scored, the games that he scored 5 goals in. Well, it's not going to show. Anyways, yeah, it's not going to show. Remember, so I bring it. So he scored 5 goals in the Premier League 2 goals in the playoffs, and that was against Brighton. Now, after they played Brighton, the next matchup they played was against Arsenal. They also defeated Arsenal. They played quarterfinals. I think they played Brighton to advance. Then they played quarterfinals. What is quarterfinals? Semifinals. Semifinals against Tottenham. Semifinals versus Tottenham. Quarterfinals versus Arsenal. But I think they had to play extra time for the Brighton game just to ensure they have a winner. Alright, so for the goals they scored in a regular season, 1 versus Southampton, 2 versus Aston Villa, also the assists as well, 1 versus Nottingham Forest, and 1 versus Newcastle. Just kind of rack it up here. So played as and the goal scored. 2 games at centre forward, and he scored 2 goals in the centre forward position. 2 goals also in the right wing position. Never show me the score next one. Now show me the score next one, people. So maybe that never registered. But the next and the assist came as from the right wing position. They didn't score any goal from the left wing. And that's kind of strange because me know said the game versus Nottingham Forest, when drive one hard and low with the left foot, that's well, I something me follow. It's a good thing to watch a game. It's a good thing. So he actually scored a goal on the left wing. He scored 1 on the left wing. He scored 1 on the left wing. I think it was against Southampton. My mind said either Nottingham Forest or Southampton. But I'm not sure, but I'm sure I have a video of him scoring from the left hand side and he drive low across the goalkeeper. Luckily I'm watching all the games then. So me can clarify that. Anyways, now the reason why I said no DUJUAN Richards, no party, is strictly around the semi-finals match that Chelsea U21 played against Tottenham Hotspur. Now, we have to understand this first. What was Tottenham's season like? I think Tottenham was actually the best team, one of the best teams throughout the season. They were really good throughout the season. Nonetheless, I do believe that in overall context, it was definitely not going to be an easy matchup. It was definitely not going to be an easy matchup. And at the end of the day, we expect what that to go. Now, in the regular season, that is how Fulham as a team actually went on and to win it. They finished in the top 6. I think they came sixth in the regular season, and they play through the playoff system as well. But Fulham have a very, very good team, I have to say. And I can remember clearly when Fulham actually backs up Chelsea 4-0. Backs up Chelsea 4-0. But let's get to the Tottenham and Chelsea game where I said. So, I did a video surrounding DUJUAN Richards. Like, I think when he scored the 2 goals, no, one time the Chelsea first team got called, some of the players got called to the Chelsea first team. And he was also, the same month, he was also awarded, he was nominated Player of the Month. For Chelsea, because he was the outstanding player. He was in really good form. I think he scored like 3 goals in 4 games and 1 assist. Was in really good form. And I did a video surrounding the youngster saying I strongly believe that he could have gotten the opportunity to even go and sit on the bench for the Chelsea first team, and explain the reason why I think he didn't make the bench, and also information that I got why he didn't make the bench. Now, people come on and bash me for that. I don't know why. Anyways, continuing on to that. It was the one game, one of the most important game that he was absent for. That was the game that Chelsea lost. And that's was the game against Tottenham. I'm not saying that Chelsea were the better team. They were superiorly the better team than Chelsea. I'm not saying that. But what I'm saying is, in that game, I believe that if he was available, he definitely would have made an impact on the team. Now, some of the players there, people still cuss me about. I said, them play ahead of him, this a player, that right there. On the day, they never really show it. Now, even when they play against Arsenal, I think it's Mariano scored an hat-trick. I think hat-trick can score. But DUJUAN Richards was a vital player in that match, which helped Mariano to register those. I think like 20 goals them are like for a rebound. I think about 20 goals them a rebound from DUJUAN Richards shots in score. Nevertheless, he was not available due to an injury. I think I was told that it's an ankle injury. On the day when they were playing against Tottenham, I think there was a lot of people who were upset about that, especially persons who follow the youth team. When I went on Twitter and saw the remarks, I'm like, whoa, it just go for sure the standard that they held him at right now. They knew that it would have been a struggle when he's not playing. And so said, so done. They're struggling that game. They didn't get much out of the game. And Tottenham defeated them and went on to the final. And it was a big semi-finals now. You know, you're out with one of your most vital players. And something that I realized that Fulham did. What Fulham did, some of the U21 players that were in and around the senior team, Fulham just bring them back in the U21 team and make them come play. That's why they kind of just blow the competition apart, just like that. But it was smart move from them because they wanted to win it. Smart move to just bring back the likes of Delano Splat and these guys who were in and amongst the senior team and throughout the season, and just bring them back and just make them play. But nevertheless, they only bring back some of the players them like for some of the big match them. Whenever it's a big match, they bring back some of the U21 players them based off how the club, the games that the club have on the weekend. Because I can remember Delano Splat did play Fulham when Fulham beat Chelsea. Delano Splat did play in that game. It's quite a few of the players as well from the Fulham team who were actually in and around the senior team were brought back for that game as well. But nevertheless, all I'm saying is he was not there. He was absent, and certainly his absence was totally felt. Now, in all aspects, I have to say that this was a brilliant season for him. Even though it was half a season, I thought that he ended the season extremely well. And this is good preparation for the start of next season. And when he do start next season, when he do kick off next season, I'm expecting it to be in good standing. Now, for me personally, I would definitely want to see him go out on a loan to go and play some big man football. I know personal question say why he can't stay at Chelsea and make it through the rank. My question to those persons is, how often do you see that from Chelsea? You can count on your one hand some of the players that you will see that from. Look at the route that Omar Hutchinson had to take, going to the Chelsea youth set up, then going out on loan doing well, then come back. And then now at this present moment, the Chelsea club is in so much mess. I think it would be smart of him to move out this summer, go and find a stable club with some football, we can get some stable football playing throughout the year and build on that more so in and around what's going on at Chelsea. Anyways, it's just my point of view. You don't necessarily have to mean anything, or you don't have to take it serious, but it's just my opinion on the matter. But nevertheless, brilliant season for him, I have to say. Well done. Continue to go and put in the hard work, and hopefully I see you playing some big man football coming September. I'm not sure which league, whatever league it is, but I want to see him playing some big man football. And not in the Chelsea youth setup. Makes no sense in my view. Anyways, big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit subscribe button. And I'll see you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV. We're out. God bless. Boom.